Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to firmware update your X30 Ultra. If you click on three dots in top right corner, then you can go to firmware update. Now it'll start checking for an update. If it is available, you can install it here, and that is basically it. It will start installing. It will tell you when it's done, and I would highly recommend going back here once the update is installed to see if there isn't any more updates available, because sometimes the robot cannot upgrade a few versions up, so it will just need to update separately, like let's say 2 or 3 times. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.